I think you did for us.
Our truck, okay?
Very
so we sit in the back.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is hilarious.
When we be on the track, I'm gonna sit.
And we are off. Wow, excited.
Please have a look on the left hand side.
Wow, pretty.
You will see the three popular beach on the west side of the island we call Bang Rak Beach. And also last night you see over there Boput Beach where it's a fisherman village.
Oh, is it?
They had the market last night.
Yes.
Yeah. And you look what happened why the giant the devil all around try to go to kill him and something, right?
Oh yeah.
They knew he gonna be the great man and be the Lord of Buddha, right?
Here's the statue of the monk. He died like in 1970 something. And there he is inside. Yep, his actual body.
You concentrate first.
Okay.
Pray what you want to know. What number you got?
20.
No.
11.
Her number 20.
I got 11.
Your number.
Ooh, I got 20. You have
Put
to
it back.
shake.
I'll get a paper for you,
You
okay?
have to shake this and then it tells you a
11 and 20,
fortune. So we just read our fortunes. Mine was number 20 and Whitney had number 11 and she's very happy with hers.
It's my lucky number.
Mine is quite good. We're having an amazing time. Julie, our guide, is fantastic.
We love her, we're already friends.
Such a great experience and can't wait to see more. journey was absolutely amazing and completely crazy. Best thing ever. Look how amazing this all looks, all vegetarian.
This is just
With
heaven.
view. Hey lovelies, that was an absolutely amazing morning and lunch. Can't even, like, so good. And Julie's such an amazing tour guide, and the driver is amazing too. Hands up, could not do that drive. Anyway, we are now really super excited because we're at the elephant sanctuary. It's an ethical elephant sanctuary, so not to worry. And I think they deal with elephants who've been rescued. We're going to find out all about it and get to meet them. So come along with us. Also, as a child, apparently I wanted to save elephants, so. So we just fed some elephants, which was amazing. Funny how they have these personalities. Like, I don't want watermelon, I want bananas, please.
Exactly.
We now have bags full of bananas and we're heading out to go meet some more elephants. Up close and personal.
For Gelta, 4 years ago, she lost her left side eye. Because one elephant inside trekking camp, they're gonna have one keeper. The keeper is the man who's gonna take care elephant all the time. In here we also have keeper. But the keeper inside trekking camp, when they want to control elephant, they always use a hook. When they want to control elephant, they're gonna sit on the neck of elephant, use a hook and do like this. Turn right, turn left. If you look at the end of the ear, you're gonna see some scar is what happened. You see when she come very close to us, she starts flap her ears because she remember when the customer coming, you have something to give her.
She's excited.
Watermelon
61 years old.
By chain her to the tree. Use backhoe to hold the big rock up on her body and throw the rock down to her head.
Oh my goodness.
This is the reason why Campion, when she do everything she do with slow. Very slow. Her eyes always have the tear come out.
Look at these little babies.
Girl right now, she cannot see you anymore from her right side eye.
Aww.
She still have only her left side eye.
Oh yeah.
This one she can peel banana as well, you know.
Cool.
Yeah. She is the one elephant who loves to peel banana.
That's adorable.
You
said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability.
Heading to dinner. Very tired.